Hey everyone, it's Morsey71 here. We are going to be getting in today's video about my OBS project. I did get some things in about on the OBS. I did get a few things on the OBS that I covered in a couple weeks ago. Whenever I did upload, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading much. Just content's been stale right now. So I'm trying to get that process started. We did get some stuff on the OBS that has started the process of it. We're just waiting on a few parts to come in. I'm probably going to be redoing the frame because the old bed that was on it with a cross member set were all rusted out, and they're starting to they started to rust the frame, surface rust the frame a little bit. And I also got to shoot it again because I didn't shoot it right the first time. So I'm going to go back over it, shoot it again, repaint it, and everything else like that. So stay tuned for that video. I still got to get the undercoat and stuff for that. Probably going to go PR15. I'm not sure yet. So stay tuned for that video. But we're right now in my blue 2013 Chevy Silverado. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get ready to go into town and get some stuff for our house and a few other errands I need to do. So yeah, when I get back, I'll show you guys what I got new, and we will go from there. What we're going to be doing to the OBS, and it's going to be happening soon. So let's get to it. All right, everyone, I just got back from running my errands from the store and stuff. I'm gonna try to finagle my way around into this garage. See, it's really tight space in here. This truck barely fit in here, as it is. That's my blue truck there, 2013. But this thing has some exciting stuff when you come to it. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking. It is like 30-some degrees out, so kind of cold. But the first thing I want to show you guys is back here in this drawer, tucked away here. This thing, the Torsion Bars. I don't know if you can see. These are 3-inch Torsion Bar Keys. They're going to be replacing the factory ones. I'll be doing that here very, very, very soon. Because now the truck's in the garage, I can actually start working on it and getting it to where I want it to be. So, yeah. But yeah, these beds just sat on the frame right now. It's not. As you can tell, it's not finalized, not bolted down yet. This bed will probably be coming back off for a minute, or be lifted up, something, so I can actually get to the frame and re-undercoat it. And then also the frame rails need some work done to them. Probably needs undercoated up under there and everything else. So, for what I bought this bed for, this bed is in very, very good shape. No rust along the sides. There's no rust up underneath. It's just rust. I'm going to show you over here. Mangle my way around this garage. I need a bigger garage. Bigger garage coming soon, but there's rust up under this bed. I can't move it. Rust right there, a hole right there. I can just hatch panel. And back there, along the back by the tailgate, is bubble spots. So, yeah, that's what I have for this bed. Pretty much this bed is pretty good, much good to go. It's just a few touch-up spots here and there, and it should be good. So, undercoat up underneath the bed, and re-undercoat the frame, and she should be good to go. I also got new fenders that will be going on this truck. They're pretty much rust-free. Just a few spots here and there. Some spots down here along the bottom are typical spots. But other than that, there's no bubbling or anything along the sides of here. So that's good. Be coming here soon. I do got a dilemma on this thing. I don't know if I really want to put it on here. It'll probably be going up here if I do. You guys should know what I'm talking about here. I got me a light bar here. I don't know. I got this for free about 3 years ago, so I don't know if I'm going to be putting that on or not, if it'll look clean or not. Y'all let me know in the comment section if I should do that. But yeah, my plans with this truck, these rims will probably stand on it. Probably be getting beefier tires to put on this thing. Just so it will look a lot better. Probably be getting some spacers for the rear to match up the front. I don't know how much further I really want to go with stocks, so I'll probably end up getting some rears to match up the front, and that'll probably be it. Other plans for this thing, be coming in time, body work, definitely body work, rust, rock panels, all that stuff's gonna be gone. I want this thing to be rust free. I'm still debating on the color of this thing. I'm either going dark blue or maybe a burgundy, a red, probably like candy red or a burgundy red or something like that. Somewhere around that area. I don't know what I'm going to go with yet. If you guys have any suggestions in the comment section, please leave them down below in the comment section, please. New glass windshield be coming for a truck. Tint all the way around, lift kit. Probably even go at 4 or 6 inch lift on this thing. And then other than that, it should be good. So, I don't know. Let me know what I should do to this thing. Let me know you guys' all opinions. This thing is definitely coming in for the works. Definitely for the better. I do got a spare third door for this thing and a spare hood, just in case something happens where I get in a wreck or something. I need that stuff. So, but yeah. Other than that, the stocks are back here. Just a small garage. My Instagram handle, my group I'm in. But yeah, definitely gonna be working on this thing momentarily. The pins need redone this thing, but the interior is pretty good. Let me turn this lights on. How good it's gonna help? Probably not much, but yeah, interior is fairly clean for a year. Small crack on the dash. I'm not worried about that. So, you guys have any opinion what I should do with this dash? I don't know if I really want to paint, because I don't know what's this tan color. I don't know any good color combination done with it. But yeah, let's get to me cold starting this thing, because this thing has not ran in about 3 weeks. So let's get to it. That's not the original miles on my truck, but here we go. Full voice and everything. Let's see if she starts. Just a stock 350, nothing done to her. But I got my video decided I wanted to shut down. But yeah, nothing done to the engine. Pretty much all bone stock for right now. I don't know if I should keep it the original 350 or put something else in there or build the 350. But what's done to it exhaust is Gold Flow Master Super 44s with no cats. So it sounds really, really good for what it is. Sounds really, really good. I really like the sound of this thing. People say I should change it, but I love the sound of it, and that's what all that matters. So, yeah, definitely let me know in the comment section what I should be doing to this thing, and what my plans are to build this thing, restore it, and everything. So yeah. Also, these headlight housings are getting changed. They're starting to, you can see, they're starting to fog up, whatever these cheap headlights do. But the LED headlights are super bright. They're from Fit lighting all the way around. Besides the switchbacks. The switchbacks are from Beam, and they work phenomenal. They match MOSFETs, lighting, and everything else. So yeah, just few minor things here and there. Definitely be getting, like I said, a lift kit, body work, probably some paint matching. Once I figure out what color scheme I want to go with this thing. I'm not sure what else. So let me know in the comment section what I should do this thing, and I'm gonna get out of here. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Next video we'll probably be doing this gearbox, putting that gearbox in, and doing the Torsion Bar Keys. So look forward to that. I'll be having a video to be done on that here very shortly. So keep an eye on that. It'll probably be like next weekend or so. So yes. I see you all in the next video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you and bye.